Welcome to Excellent Ideas. The idea of these videos is to make you Excel Pro. Today, we are going to discuss about advanced filters. Since this topic requires a detailed understanding, we have made two elaborate videos to give crystal clear understanding about the advanced filtering in one video and how to set up multiple criteria ranges with ease in the second video to give you complete essence. Data filtering is an essential task which requires an advanced skill to hide data that is of no interest to us. Normal filtering sometimes does not help us to effectively use the existing data and customize filter parameters based on our requirements. It is quite easy to filter using autofilter. Then, what is the need of advanced filter? Well, once we understand the usage and benefits of advanced filtering, then we will prefer to effectively use advanced filtering function. Let us look at the advantages. We can create a list of unique items. Of course, from Excel 2007, we can use remove duplicates option. However, series of tasks must be performed to achieve the output. Remove duplicates feature strips the duplicates out of the list that is selected. So, we have to remember to work on a copy of the list if we want to keep the original list intact. With an advanced filter, no items are removed from the list, so we don't risk losing any of our original data. Complex filters. With an advanced filter, we can create a criteria range on the worksheet and see at a glance what the filter settings are. We can also create complex filters with and or settings that go beyond what an autofilter can do. With an advanced filter, we can create OR conditions between columns such as customer A or product B. We cannot do that using an autofilter. Now, let us see how to create an advanced filter. We first need to create a database. For example, the one that is you are seeing on the screen. The first row A1 to E1 has column headings. Each column must have a unique heading. Duplicate headings will cause problems when running an advanced filter. Subsequent rows contain the data. Now, let us see how to set up criteria range. In the criteria range for an Excel advanced filter, you can set the rules for the data that should remain visible after the filter is applied. You can use one criterion or several. In this example, in cells H1 to H2, we are creating the criteria range. The heading in H1 exactly matches the heading in E1 in the database. Cell H2 contains the criterion. In this case, we used the greater than 500 as criteria. With this, when advanced filter is applied, orders with total greater than 500 rupees will remain visible. We can of course use any other parameter other than greater than operator, which we will see in the second advanced filter video, which is an extension to this video. Now, let us look at how to set up an extract range. 2 points we should always keep in mind. First one, we need to run advanced Excel filter option from the place from where we are going to extract the data. Say for example, we are planning to extract the data to the next sheet, sheet 2. Then please activate sheet 2 and run the advanced filter option. Second point, if we plan to extract the entire data, then we don't have to specify the columns at the place where we are extracting the data. Nevertheless, there is another wonderful benefit from the advanced filter functionality where we can extract only required data. But for that particular feature to work, we should let Excel know what columns are required by giving the required headers at the destination area and mentioning the header range parameter as one of the parameter of advanced filter. We will see this with clarity now. How to apply the advanced filter. We have to select a cell at the destination area. On the Data tab, we have to click on Advanced to open the Advanced Filter dialog box. We can choose to filter the list in place or copy the results to another location. So in this case, we are copying it to another location. If not, we can select the cells on the worksheet. Let us select the criteria range on the worksheet. If we are copying to a new location, we need to select a starting cell for the copying. This is the place where we can also give header range as the new location to get the specified list of columns. If we want to select unique records, then that option is also available in advanced filter functionality. So let us select unique records only option. And now let us press OK. See, we will get the unique filtered records based on our criteria in Sheet 2. This video is only intended to get clear understanding of what is an advanced filter and what it can do. In the next video, we will explain the advanced feature along with the vital point on how to set up multiple criteria ranges. I have a strong belief on the viewers of this video who will not miss out clicking subscribe button to always inspire me to create excellent ideas, and by clicking on subscribe button. The viewers of this video get notified for all the tricks which we are planning to create. Thanks everyone for watching this and make it possible for you to watch the extension of this video. Also, request you to look at the previous videos. It is easy to search for excellent idea videos in YouTube. Just type excellent idea space hash and then the idea number. For example,